drag our aching feet to the grindstone. I'm back again and again and again. To me it's no surprise, we've all